Good morning, folks. Welcome to the 5 a.m. journey with Gopaal Seyn. As you know, I wake up every day around 4:30 during Brahma Muhurta, creating my art pieces. Just wanted to share some secret and give you a gift today. As you see, I do these artwork which kind of visualize in my mind before I go to bed. And I strongly urge all artists to look on some subjects which they really like and kind of visualize that when they're in bed and create them first thing in the morning. It will give you a better representation of your creativity. So just a small tip today. I have drawn it and then I use like a small charcoal tip to create more beautiful lines out here. Just watch me. And once I do that, I use my finger to slowly start blending it to create a three-dimensional look to it. That's all, folks. Hope you like it. Thank you so much for joining.